What is the sum? The numbers are so small we don't need the formulas. We'll just plug in 4. Take away the 3, take away the 2, add to that, plug in 5, and so on. Plug in 6. Well, I guess we're going to stop when we plug in 7. Rats. Okay, how does it look so far? We've got 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4 and 4 over 5. To add these fractions, we need a common denominator. That least common denominator would be 60. Half of 60 is 30. 2/3 of 60. 3 goes into 60 20 times. 20 times 2. We've got 40. 3/4 of 60. 4 goes into 60 15 times, and 15 times 3 is 45. 4/5 of 60. 5 goes into 60 12 times. 12 times 4 is 48. We've got that common denominator in the end. This is 163/60. And these numbers are relatively prime, so this is a fine, simplified version of the answer.